So part of being a project facilitator is going out into the community and delivering different types of family engagement workshops that are integrating our PBS Kids programming. Today's activity is all about the engineering design process, and the property that we're using is ready to go. So it's all about space, and we're using the space programming because our community partner is a library district, and that is their summer theme as well.
We absolutely love attending our local library events and saw that it was space themed, and my daughter happens to be really passionate about space exploration, so we thought it was a great way to kind of further her interests in space and science.
We are going to be building Mars rovers today, and a rover is kind of like a little robot, and the little robot has to move everywhere. But now, remember, we're gonna watch a quick little video that talks about a rover, because maybe some of us don't know what a rover is. Yes? I'm gonna give you a little bag. In this bag, there is a car already, and it has the little wheels and the axle, and then in your little bag, you're gonna try to see, what am I gonna create to make something move? You're gonna design a rover, and you're like, what am I gonna design my rover with? We also are talking a lot to the families and the grown-ups about how the end product is not a cookie cutter end product. The process is what's important. What are they doing? What are they learning as they are creating? So, can you kiss your brains? Kiss your brains. You worked really hard today. You used your engineering, design skills. This aligns well with the Vegas PBS mission, because our goal is to be out in the community, to be seen, to be a community partner, a vital resource for families, for educators, for parents, for just community members in general.
As a child, I grew up watching PBS shows, and I know the value that it offered to me in my childhood growing up. And it's absolutely astounding everything that PBS has done for this next generation coming up, and I'm excited to be part of it.